Hi, good evening. Welcome back at Quick Nova and Research Center. I'm Shabazz Lagai. First of all, I will discuss about earthquake. Two my previous predictions have been completed right now successfully. You can comparison this video our previous record on YouTube channels EQQN and verified this video. You can verify this video on USGS website. Now I will discuss about earthquake. One earthquake appeared in Turkey. This magnitude was 4.6. This earthquake felt on nearest border of Greece area. This magnitude was also 4.6. Now I will share you record of this earthquake on screen. You can watch. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel, like and share, and special comment right on our descriptions. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.